The P0057 code signifies a problem with the heater control circuit of the Bank 2 Sensor 2 oxygen sensor. Bank 2 refers to the side of the engine with cylinder 2, and sensor 2 is the downstream sensor, located after the catalytic converter. Low indicates abnormally low voltage or excessive current in the heater circuit, preventing the sensor from reaching optimal operating temperature. It's crucial for emissions control and fuel efficiency as the heater warms the sensor quickly. Heated oxygen sensors need to reach a high temperature between 300 and 800 degrees Celsius to function correctly. The heater circuit, typically a 12-volt system, ensures the sensor warms up rapidly, especially during cold starts. This reduces emissions and improves engine performance. The ECM or PCM controls this circuit, and a malfunction disrupts this process. Bank 2 Sensor 2 specifically monitors the efficiency of the catalytic converter. When a P0057 code sets, several symptoms typically appear. The most common is an illuminated check engine light on your dashboard, signaling a problem with the vehicle's emissions system. You may also notice reduced fuel economy as the engine burns more fuel inefficiently due to incorrect air-fuel ratios. A rough idle is another symptom, where the engine feels unstable or vibrates when stopped. Additionally, your vehicle might fail emissions tests as the malfunctioning sensor affects exhaust gas monitoring. These symptoms arise because the oxygen sensor heater circuit failure prevents optimal air-fuel mixture control, leading to inefficient combustion and emissions issues. Ignoring these symptoms can result in further engine problems and increased harmful emissions, so address them promptly. To diagnose the P0057 code, start with a visual inspection of the area around Bank 2 Sensor 2. Check for damaged wiring, corroded connectors, and exhaust leaks near the sensor. Next, use an OBD2 scanner to confirm the P0057 code and retrieve freeze-frame data. A multimeter is essential for testing circuit continuity and resistance. Normal heater resistance should be between 10 and 30 ohms. Deviations indicate a problem. Testing the HO2S heater circuit begins with using a multimeter to check voltage at the sensor connector. With the key on and engine off, verify proper voltage is present. Next, measure resistance across the heater terminals on the sensor itself. A reading outside the 10 to 30 ohm range indicates a faulty sensor. Also check for shorts to ground in the heater circuit. Use the multimeter to test for continuity and identify any circuit faults. Finally, compare all your measurements to the vehicle's service manual for accurate specifications. The most common causes of the P0057 code include a faulty oxygen sensor, wiring harness problems, ECM relay issues, and software glitches. Solutions focus on replacement, repair, and updates. The most frequent cause is a faulty oxygen sensor, often due to age, contamination, or physical damage from road debris. Wiring harness issues like corrosion from road salt, electrical shorts to ground, or open circuits in the heater circuit are also common. A faulty ECM relay can prevent the heater circuit from receiving power, leading to the low voltage condition. Less commonly, ECM software glitches can cause improper control of the heater circuit, especially in older vehicles. The primary solution is replacing the heated oxygen sensor with an OEM part to ensure proper heater function. Repair or replace damaged wiring harness sections, cleaning corrosion and ensuring continuity. Always ensure solid electrical connections at connectors to prevent intermittent faults. A software update from the dealer may be necessary for GM vehicles to address ECM glitches. Follow these steps to repair the P0057 code issue. Always disconnect the battery first to prevent electrical hazards. Find the downstream oxygen sensor on the passenger side exhaust. Carefully unplug the wiring harness from the sensor. Apply anti-seize compound and turn counterclockwise to loosen. Torque to 30 to 40 feet-pounds, depending on vehicle specifications. Ensure the connection is secure and click into place. Reattach the negative terminal and tighten the bolt. Plug in the scanner and erase the diagnostic trouble code. Drive for 10 to 15 minutes and check for the check engine light. Regularly inspect your vehicle's exhaust system for leaks and damage. Use quality OEM or reputable aftermarket oxygen sensors to ensure longevity. In colder climates, protect wiring from corrosion using dielectric grease. Keep your vehicle's ECM software updated. Future trends include more durable sensors with built-in diagnostics and AI-driven predictive maintenance. With the rise of EVs, P0057 will likely become less common in new vehicles.